Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today we are taking the new Renault Clio on a quick point of view drive. So the car has just been launched on the Croatian market, and as you can see, this facelifted version has got the beautiful design. On the front you can spot the new daytime running LEDs. You can also turn on the lights with the touch of a button on the key, and the car also features the new grille, and the overall styling has really been improved in my opinion. Now this is the special Esprit Alpine trim, and this car is also a hybrid. It's got the beautiful 17-inch wheels with the dual tone, the special cover here for the wheel nuts with the new Renault badge, and here you see the Esprit Alpine lettering. Let us now move on to the rear of the car, where you have the new covers for the tail lights. And actually let's turn on the lights. There we go. Beautiful styling here, beautiful lighting signature, easily recognizable on the road. We can also open the trunk. There we go. Different sizes depending on the trim that you get. And now we are ready to go, and the car will lock itself. There we go. When you go away, and then once again when you approach it, it will unlock. This is the beautiful, gorgeous interior. Look at the steering wheel with the new Renault badge. Nice graphics on the digital cockpit and on the main 9.2-inch screen, also the ambient lighting. So let's see it from driver's perspective. And now time for a driving part. So as you can see, beautiful layout here in front of us, the gear selector of the multi-mode automatic transmission. Put it to drive and we are ready to go. So the model in our video is a hybrid, so let's go. And I said this is the full hybrid, 145 horsepower, and it's the self-charging hybrid, so you don't need to plug it in, and the drive in this car is so smooth. So currently we are using just the electric power. Of course, when the time comes, the car will also switch on the engine. So it's a combination of a petrol engine and 2 electric motors and 1.2 kilowatt-hour battery. And that is just one of options for the new Renault Clio. And in terms of powertrains, a lot to choose from. You can go for the entry-level 65 horsepower naturally aspirated petrol engine. Then you can go for the turbocharged 90 horsepower petrol. You can also then go for the LPG version, diesel version, and also this self-charging hybrid, so the full hybrid 145 horsepower. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice. For city driving, this is so smooth, and actually you can drive up to 80% of the time with just electric power. And you see now also the car is using the electric power. Now I can show you this lovely navigation. Let's talk about the layout here in front of us. 7-inch digital cockpit is standard, and then this is the 10-inch one. Once again, the Esprit Alpine trim, which is the top of the line trim. So we have a very nice spec on this model. And here in the middle, touchscreen on this specification. Lovely steering wheel with the new logo, ambient lighting, and the AC is on switches. That is always nice to see. So the car has just been launched on the market this week. I wasn't able to go on a Croatian premiere in lovely Istria, but yeah, I'm here in Zagreb, got the car here to show you the first details. Of course, there will be a more detailed full review coming as well, so stay tuned for that. The multi-sense is where you can change the driving modes. So you have the sport mode. Now look at this, when you change to sport mode, the layout in front of you changes as well. Then you also have the option to turn on or off the e-save, and then eco mode is here. Once again, different layout in front of the driver, and you can configure various things in those modes as well. So actually, let me go to my sense, and here we can add it. the steering, the powertrain, lighting and cluster. So actually here it's regular, but you can adjust the steering, you can adjust the ambient lights. There are various colors available. Look at this, that's cool. And the cluster as well. This car has up to 20 driver assist systems packed with technology. You can also spot here on our car the blind spot assist. If I turn on the indicator, it flashes the yellow, the orange dot actually. So it warns you that the car is in your blind spot. And feels so nice here. When I push the throttle, then you can also hear the petrol engine. And yeah, the details about pricing will be in the description, as well as the exact specifications of the car itself. And there are 7 colors available, but I think this one is among my favorites, that's for sure, because it definitely makes the car stand out. And when you have the Esprit Alpine trim, you have a lot of gloss black details, the grille itself, and also you have the matte gray details, and I think they go very well. And it's so nice to drive it like this. And let's stop here. I will also show you the details of the interior. So put it to park. You have 2 USB ports, and then the 12-volt power supply, various buttons here, so the multi-mode, then the EV mode as well, the camera views, there we go, volume. And also you can adjust the volume on this lever here as well. This is the slot for your key. The key, of course, is the card that we are used to seeing on the Renault models. Now you can see the ambient light detail here. The cup holders, and they're actually adjustable. You can also adjust this middle armrest, and inside you do have some storage. The Esprit Alpine has got also the special seats. Look at the stitching, beautiful light blue. You also have the logo here and the glove compartment. I want to hear your thoughts on the new Clio. This was just a quick preview, once again, because the car has just been launched on the market and I wasn't able to go to Istria for the Croatian premiere because I'm going to Geneva Motor Show in Qatar, Doha. So stay tuned for those videos as well, and stay tuned for the night point of view drive with this car and the full review coming as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe and see you on the next one. Bye bye. And I decided to wait a little bit until the sun goes down, so now you can see more details here in the evening with the beautiful layout in front of us. And also spot this, the map view is possible, and that is really cool and also useful as well, especially in unknown cities. And now I can also change the modes, so now you will see better the ambient lights and the digital cockpit views. So thank you for watching this video, and many thanks to Renault for giving me this car that has just been launched on the market. And yeah, I wish I was in Istria, but hey, I can be on two places at the same time. And I want to hear your thoughts on the car. Also tell me in the comments what would you like to see with this car, as once again there will be a more detailed review on the channel as well. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.